Hey, entrepreneurs, marketers, and creators. Are you tired of juggling 10 different tools to run your online business? Let me introduce you to your new best. It's the all-in-one platform that simplifies your life, boosts your sales, and keeps your bank account happy. Let's break it down. So, what is systeme.io? It's a complete marketing powerhouse that handles everything. Sales funnels with up and downslows to maximize your revenue. Email marketing automation that's as simple as drag and drop. Tools to build membership sites and online courses for creators who want to monetize their expertise. A built-in affiliate management system, grow your network without spending a dime on ads. And, get this, blogging tools to supercharge your SEO and drive traffic like a pro. Oh, and did I mention the integrations with Zapier, Make.com, and their own API? It's like systeme.io just keeps leveling up. Who's the genius behind this? Meet our alien amateur, a blogger turned software entrepreneur. Frustrated by overpriced tools like ClickFunnels and Kartra, he said, enough, and created a platform that's powerful, affordable, and easy. Systeme.io isn't just a tool. It's a solution built by someone who's been exactly where you are. That's why it feels like it was made for you, because it was. Who's systeme.io for? Honestly, everyone looking to crush it online. Entrepreneurs and solopreneurs, start your business from scratch, stress-free. Digital marketers, master A/B testing and lead generation without the headache. Bloggers and content creators, content is king, and systeme.io makes you the ruler of distribution. Course creators and educators, launch courses and grow your community with ease. E-commerce pros, sell products with a seamless checkout process. Affiliate marketers, manage campaigns like a boss. Membership site owners, build thriving communities, all in one place. Here's the kicker, systeme.io offers all this for a fraction of the cost of other platforms. And if you're ready to switch, they'll even migrate your entire setup for free with their annual plan. That's next-level customer love. Ready to streamline your business and take it to the next level? Click the link below, try systeme.io, and see for yourself why it's the ultimate game changer for online entrepreneurs. Don't just dream it, systeme it.